In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Taobao app language from Chinese to English, 2025. Start by opening the Taobao app on your phone and make sure you're signed in. Being logged in ensures you can access your profile and settings without interruptions. If the app asks for any updates, it's a good idea to install them first since language options can appear only on newer versions. Next, go to My Taobao. This is the tab on the bottom right of the screen, the profile area where you manage orders and account details. If your app is in Chinese, you'll see it labeled as Wo De Taobao. Tap that to open your personal page. From there, look for the settings area. On most versions, you'll find it by tapping the small gear icon or the three dots in the top right corner of your profile page. The label for settings in Chinese is Shiji. Go ahead and open that. Inside settings, find general settings. This is where Taobao keeps basic preferences such as display, notifications, and language. In Chinese, this section is called Tongyong. Tap it to continue. Now choose language. The language menu is labeled Yuyan, and this is where you can switch the app from Chinese to English. Open that menu to see your options. Select either English, shown as Yingwen, or International version, shown as Guojiban. Depending on your app version and region, you may see one or both. English will switch the interface to English, while International or Global mode often applies English as well and may optimize parts of the experience for overseas users. Tap your preferred option to apply it and confirm any prompt that appears. To finish, restart the app so the change takes effect. Fully close Taobao, don't just minimize it. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom, find Taobao in the app switcher, and flick it off the screen. On Android, open the recent apps view and swipe Taobao away, or use force stop in app info. Then reopen the app and the interface should appear in English. A couple of quick tips if something looks off. Not every piece of text will be translated because seller-written titles and images may remain in Chinese. That's normal. If you don't see English or international version, update Taobao from your app store and check again. Also, if the app reverts after you select English, make sure your phone's system language and region settings are set to English and that your connection is stable. That's all you need to switch Taobao to English quickly and reliably.